Hi guys, now we're going to do lesson 31, and in lesson 31 we are going to look at the different ways you can solve division problems. So sometimes a division problem will have the number of groups as the unknown, and sometimes it will have the size of the groups as the unknown. So we're going to look at two of those types of problems. Okay, so our first problem is going to be number one, and I'm not going to make you draw a tape diagram to help you out with this because there are many different ways you can do this. If you already know that you can use division, then go ahead and just use division to solve this problem. But there's a way to help you if you didn't know how to start solving this problem and you needed help getting unstuck. The best way for you to do that is to draw a picture. So I can easily picture what this problem is asking because I can make an image in my mind because I can see the juice and I can see the 4 kids, right? So we know we have 4 kids. Oops. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to draw my juice. Okay, so we want to give juice to each kid. So a great way to start out is by just dealing it out, right? We can start by giving each kid 100 milliliters of juice. You could probably draw a cup for each of them if you wanted. I'm not going to for time's sake. Okay, so once we've given each kid 100 milliliters, then we've used up 400 milliliters of our juice. Okay, we could use a tape diagram to show this. And then here we have 100 left, right? There's 100 left after our 400 we've given out. So in our bottle, we can shade this 100 we have left. So we have 100 milliliters of juice. We can divide out, think about how much you can divide out for each person. So I'd like to start, you might know a different number, but the easiest thing to start with is 10 milliliters. I could give each person 10 milliliters. Okay, so if I give everyone 10 milliliters, I'm actually going to start a subtraction problem to help me out here. So we started with 500, we gave out 400 to start with. That left us with 100. Okay, now we gave out 10 milliliters to each person, which would be 40 milliliters. So we have 60 left to give out. I could do 10 more. That uses up another 40, and I have 20 left. So if I have 20 milliliters, I can't do 10 anymore. I could do ones if I wanted to and give 1 milliliter to each person. That seems kind of silly when I know if I have 20 and then 4 people, I can give 5 to each person. Okay, so total, we've given out 20. So we have none left, no more juice left. So each kid has 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5, which is 100, 125 milliliters each. So that would be my answer. Okay, you could have done long division. You could have divided out using a place value chart if you wanted. However you want to do it is fine by me. Okay, so this one is, we knew the amount of groups, right? We knew the number of groups. We just didn't know the size of the groups. So the next question, we're going to know the size of the groups, but not the number of groups. So we have Kelly, and she separated 618 cookies into baggies. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of cookies. Each baggie contained 3 cookies. My goodness. Okay, And then how many baggies of cookies did Kelly make? Now this one's going to be more challenging to draw a picture for because that's going to be a lot of bags to draw if we want 3 cookies in each bag. So in this case, we got to think about it. We know we have cookies. We know we're dividing them into bags. So we can just do a long division problem. And that would probably be the easiest way to do it. Okay. Another way you can do it is by breaking it apart, right? We could do 618. So 18, we can easily do 3 cookies in each bag. We know that's going to be 6 bags. We could break up our 600 into 300 and 300. And then we know with 300, that would be 3 cookies, 100 bags with 3 cookies in each. Okay, so that gives us 100 bags, 100 bags, and 6 bags. So total, we would have 206 bags. So let's divide it out and just double check. Okay, 3 divided by 6 is 2. We're going to bring down our 1. Our 1 is less than 3, so we're going to have a 0 up here. We were 18, we're going to bring down. So, ooh, look, just like we did. We had our 600, we broke our 618. We divided our 600 into 200s. There's 1, and here's 2. 18 divided by 3 is 6. We got the same answer, but we want to double check and make sure we were right. Excellent. We were exactly correct. Okay, so there's your other way of solving.